Today's recipe is perfect, easy, and delicious homemade waffle recipe. Let me show you how to make easy waffle recipe with basic ingredients you can have in your kitchen. So let me introduce you to the ingredients. I'm going to be using one egg. It doesn't matter if you separate it. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Mix this well, combine it thoroughly and gently mix until everything is well cooperated. So you don't really need to separate your egg when you're making this waffle recipe. As I said, it's very easy and I'm going to be your guide. I'll be using half cup of milk. You can use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or any flavor you like to add to your waffle. Mix this well, combine thoroughly and everything. Make sure everything is properly combined. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of water. I like adding water to my waffles, also my pancake as well. So I'm going to mix this until everything is well cooperated as well. If you have questions about this waffle, leave it in the comment section. I'll be adding 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. So I like adding baking soda to my waffle and mix this gently. Mix this so you to get that your perfect waffle batter. As I said, to make a easy homemade waffle recipe, follow this recipe and you are going to get that perfect, delicious, easy homemade waffle. This is how to make a homemade waffle and the recipe is easy to follow the step. So miss, it doesn't really matter if you still have some lumps in your batter, just leave it. You are going to need it. Rub the waffle maker with a butter. It can be oil. You can also spray it with baking spray. Add your waffle batter in your waffle maker and cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. It all depends on your waffle maker, how powerful it is. 3 to 5 minutes, you are going to get a perfect, crunchy, crispy, fluffy waffle recipe. So this is the outcome. Remove your waffle and put it in a baking rack so it will be cold when you are drying it. Please do not forget to like this video. It's encourage us. Let's try it again if you did not get the method of making your waffles. So I'm going to go ahead and add another waffle batter into my waffle maker and cook this for 3 to 5 minutes. If you have any question about this waffle recipe, please do not hesitate in dropping it in comment section below, and please feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones so they will learn how to make easy waffle recipe. You can add any topping to your waffle. I'm using whipped cream and syrup. You can also add some berries, any vegetables of any fruit you like. You can add it to your waffles. It's an easy homemade breakfast recipe that you can enjoy. This waffle recipe is very fluffy and it's very easy to make and it's very delicious. So this is how to make easy waffle recipe. I hope you like this. Enjoy. Please do not forget to give us a like if you enjoy. Share this recipe with your loved ones, and please leave down comments if you have any question about this waffles recipe. Please subscribe to my channel to get more updated of my videos. See you soon.